Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Nationwide Building Society online banking account. So if you also want to log into Nationwide Building Society online banking account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in nation wide.co.uk, press enter. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official website of Nationwide. You'll be able to find several options over here. So if you want to log into your account, for that, what you have to do is look at the top right corner of your screen. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for login. Hover over it. After that, you'll be able to find several login options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the option for login to internet bank. All you have to do is click on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the official login interface of Nationwide. From here, you'll be able to log into your online banking account. If you haven't registered yet, simply click on the option register now. After that, you'll be able to register for the new account. If you want to log into your internet banking, simply enter these details that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, what you have to do is enter your customer number. Simply enter your customer number over here. If you have forgotten your customer number, simply click on the option forgotten your customer number. After that, you'll be able to recover it. Now after that, what you have to do is select the date of birth. First of all, you'll have to select the day. After that, also select the month. After that, enter the year. If you want this device to remember you, simply check on the box remember me. After that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be led to the step 2. Over there, what you have to do is enter your pass number. After that, simply enter the code sent to you by text or your debit card and card reader. After that, you'll be able to log in to your account. So that is how you log in Nationwide Building Society online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.